Kumasi City Mall ya biaya wasi adwadie ene nwedi ahodo ebekoso na wabie ano enne ya Ghana mampani Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo edi nanimonyam beta akire ebehweye ema wo bieye enye ononko Krobia Asante Kotokohene otumfo se tu abebio wano so eba adwumadie yi asibi na enye dwumadie ketu akra empanimfo atwotwo wuro eba ase omanfo ya efri achichi ene bencheye wonyina edi wanimonyam ebeta akire empanimfo eba ye bi eye chief of staff Maami Frema Opare afe Trade and Industry Minister Ora Alan Kwadwo Chrematen Krobia Asante Kotokohene otumfo se tutu ni doyere Lady Julia wano so no wase ene asoafo ne mrahye pi ya wonu nyina edi wani monyam ebeta adwumadie yachi Kumasi City Mall no wosiwie ya no nyina esika wodisi ya no ebo no esoma America dollar ebunabunu no opepem aduokununum $95 million ya wo kiremu a ebefa enipa mako empem nkono 9,000 ena mall no ebetumi afa Ghana mampani His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ekasa edi abia dwumadie na no ena osi Kumasi City Mall eya ade a eba beboa adwadie ene firi nyuma pa na wasi wonim se eya ade a mrantie ne maba wa bebre ebenya adwuma ye enye no nko ebepeja ankwankra adwumadie ewo omanyimu ama omanyi kasam nso atotoye oni UTV kasebo edi nkomo.
We have never wavered in our belief that given an enabling environment, the creativity and sense of enterprise of the Ghanaian will enable us to build a strong, powerful economy which can deliver a good, dignified standard of living to our people. Our priority is to do all we can to give our entrepreneurs the certainty of a positive business environment devoid of arbitrary and irrational policy initiatives, so they can do what they should do best: invest in the numerous opportunities to create jobs and prosperity. It is my hope that the Kumasi City Mall will not only be a place for the sale of imported goods, but substantially also Ghanaian goods. The support government gives to the private sector is intended to translate into greater economic activities of our entrepreneurs, producers, and farmers. Kumasi City Mall should bear witness of this increased activity.
Chairman ya wada Kumasi City Mall board no ano ora Kofi Sechere ene UTV kasebo kasai echire mu se Kumasi City Mall ya de amantami ebeboa pa ememmebunu dodo a eni adwumaye no eso atimi atia ba fom eno danche ya ensrahwe nso ebekoso.
It is this incredible track record for entrepreneurship which made the absence of a modern retail facility like this in Kumasi such a pronounced void. What we are about to commission, therefore, is nothing new to the Kumasi people, and it's just a repackaging of the old marketplace to meet the needs and demands of a 21st century Kumasi. Such a facility gives people the ease and convenience of shopping for their basic necessities as well as needs within a single, controlled and secured environment.
UTV Kasiabo ene Asantehene Musuafo Honorable Simon Oseme said in komo na wano so kire se Kumasi City Mall ba abai ehia pa na ebeboa ama ne papi aba Asantehene ene mentifi FM ewo Ghana ahase.
Kumasi is not only a commercial hub and enclave of Ghana but of West Africa as a whole. It is therefore an ideal and better location for a large shopping mall such as the Kumasi City Mall. In view of Ashanti region's central location and easy access to the region from all other regions of Ghana by road and by air, that is domestic flights, I am optimistic that the mall will attract the required patronage to justify the decision of the patrons in locating the mall in the Garden City.